What's up guys, Dave with Fixin' for Fun. Today we're working on a 2007 JLG 400S boom lift. The problem at hand is we are replacing the main hydraulic lines that run from the ground up to the aerial basket. They run through the wireways. It should be a job, I've done it before, but we gotta do them on another machine, so let's get cracking. All right, so the one nice thing about bad hydraulic line is you know which one it is and how bad it is. You can see it actively bubbling and dripping right there. So what we have to do is there's this big long black cover that covers them up. We're going to take the 4 bolts out, remove that. If there's a plate in there to sandwich them, we're going to remove that. Then we're going to spread this boom out as far as it'll go, disconnect the lines, start unsnaking them down through the wireways like a big S, down through here. They fish down through the center of the frame, down in through there, then under to the valve body. So I'm going to set you guys up on time lapse, and then you guys can watch me work. If I find something interesting, I'll obviously stop and explain it, but it's a pretty straightforward job. It's just time consuming, unfortunately. What's better than 1D6? 2. Why do I have 2? Well, it just happens. So we have videos coming up on those too. Just it's in the works. I'm waiting on parts for that one. For this one, I'm waiting on parts. And that one, well, I'm not sure what's going to happen with that one yet. Stay tuned to find out. So if you've never actually used one of these boom lifts, it is a game changer. It will boost your confidence in anything that you're doing where you need a ladder. My brother had an old Terex. Never buy a Terex. That's all I'm going to tell you. My brother had an old Terex TB44, and he bought it, and it had electrical issues. No one would work on it. No one would service it. We didn't do our research. Well, he didn't do his research before he bought it. And then the guy that built my house sold me one of these. He actually sold me 2 of them, but the first one was a good deal. We were using it so much, and everybody wanted to rent it. Everyone wanted to borrow it. Everyone wanted to rent it. So we started a rental company. Now nobody wants to rent them. Go figure. So you can kind of see they go through this tube. They bend here, and then they go up through this tube. What's up, Gunner? And they come down into here. So I'm going to set you guys up on time lapse, and we're going to get started. I'll come back to me now. I'm trying to remember how I did these before. I got to take the cylinder out to get up in there, disconnect those lines. I really just got to drop it and move it. So this whole basket's going to tip on me, or I can set it in front of the bulldozer. Well, I took the spring out of that. I'm just justifying my purchase of this Caterpillar every chance I get. Alright guys, well this went super smooth for a project of this magnitude. It took me about 4.5 hours. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It really lets me know what you guys like and what you guys don't. So anyways, we'll see you on the next video.